Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Neha and we will be creating a stunning desi look using the fabulous Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk Foundation. I absolutely love this time of the year. So let's create a flawless base and let's dazzle in the upcoming festivities. So you will see me talking about all these things in this video and let's get started. Okay, but before that, please hit the subscribe button and click the bell icon so you never miss any of my beauty and makeup tutorials. Now, I never go without a good priming and moisturizing if I want to achieve a flawless base. So I'm using this product here, which is a multitasker. It will not only give me hydration, but will also make my makeup last long. Now for the color correction part, I'm going to use this NARS concealer. I love the fact that it gives a supernatural appearance to my face. It's very lightweight and also it is a sheer coverage concealer, so it is less likely to cake or settle into fine lines and wrinkles, and it is super good for mature skin. I love the fact that it reduces cakiness on the face and is super easy to blend. You can go ahead with other concealers if you want more coverage, but for this look I'm opting this one only. Now today we are going ahead with the Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk Foundation. I have heard good things and bad things about this foundation, so let's discuss that. I'm going to apply this with the help of this pump, which is already my favorite. So I would like to place it like dots on my face, and I'm going to mix two shades. Here I'm using 1.5 and 7.75. As a makeup artist, I like to keep variety of shades in my vanity. And this trick I have learned from Vardhan Naik, who is a Bollywood makeup artist, and he applies foundation like this on our favorite Alia Bhatt. Make sure you're using a damp beauty blender in blending this foundation. So some of the good things about this foundation are it's super breathable, not very heavy coverage foundation. I never felt like my skin is covered under a heavy coat of plaster. I love the fact that I wore it for 8 hours and it didn't melt off on my skin, it didn't go anywhere. Now the ingredient list of this foundation is pretty interesting. It has denatured alcohol, dimethicone and titanium dioxide, which can be mildly irritating on the skin. So I would strongly suggest a patch test or consulting your dermat before applying this foundation. However, they have taken their measures, but if you're not okay with applying these ingredients on your face, go ahead and choose another foundation because there are substitutes available. Now for the liquid highlighting, I'm using lighter shade of this NARS concealer. I like to apply it on the under eyes, on the nose bone area and on the forehead. Especially the bony structure of my face needs to be highlighted. So that's how we keep our base minimal. I don't like to apply foundation on these areas separately. I just apply whatever is left on my beauty blender. I just press it like that, blending the concealer properly here. And I'll be going ahead with a cream bronzer today. I don't want too much powdery face today since we are trying a new foundation. So I'm applying this Charlotte Tilbury cream bronzer. I love this bronzer for the fact that it doesn't look too much on the face. The quantity you get in this price is super good, and this is my, to be very true, second cream contour. I used to use Huda Beauty's Tantour before this, but I'm loving it. It is super amazing and doesn't look cakey on my face, stays pretty well, and I like the fact that it gives dimensions to my face. I don't like a flat face of all light colored foundation. Using pink setting powder from One Size here, it helps me in getting that brightness on my face, and I have been loving this pink powder lately. However, Never apply pink powder on the neck. I have applied it, and the neck, if you are of the warmer tone, it looks bad. Yuck. So apply yellow or normal skin powders only on the neck and don't repeat my mistake. So this is what my face looks like after powdering. Now I'm going to use this MAC Peaches blush today. I like the whole vibe of soft face because I have done smoky eyes, and MAC Peaches is one of my favorite blush because it is soft corally in color like soft peach, and it looks super natural on my face. I also like to apply it on the temples of my forehead. Using Refi Beauty Cream Highlighter, I have fallen in love with this new highlighter that I bought from Canada. I apply it with my finger because I don't want it to get patchy. Generally, the liquid highlighters and cream highlighters gets patchy if you apply them after doing your powders. So make sure you blend them properly with a finger or with the help of blender or brush. Just make sure they should not look patchy. Now my favorite Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk Medium. Now Pillow Talk Medium is super good for my skin tone types, like I am NC40-42. It doesn't flushes out my skin and gives a super healthy glow. I have been adoring this foundation through and through. My skin is looking like my skin only. Now giving some hydration with MAC Fix Plus. Now you don't have to apply foundation on your neck if you want the foundation to not to get settled in those lines. So you can just go ahead with a concealer like I am doing here. Now let's style this look. I have also uploaded a reel on my Instagram. I'll be waiting for your suggestions and feedback on this video. Don't forget to follow, subscribe and share my channel. Bye everyone.